Hi everybody, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we would like to share with you how to make most delicious pizza at home and how to make Italian pizza. So if you're ready, let's get it started. So it has been a while since we haven't been recording any videos because we moved out to our new apartment. And this is the first video in our new apartment. So let's get started with introducing with our Italian pizza ingredients. So first of all, we are gonna need flour. So approximately 12 tablespoons for 2 person. But if you want to make for more person, then you can count accordingly. Then we are going to use baking powder, which is 1 teaspoon, and then 1 glass of still water, a little bit warm water, and 1 tablespoon of olive oil. So I have prepared ahead our pizza dough. It is here. The reason we are adding olive oil 1 tablespoon is that we do not want the dough to be sticky to our hands. That is the reason. So then we are gonna make our own tomato paste for the pizza, for which we are gonna need 4 pieces of tomatoes, 1 white onion, 5 pieces of garlic. Then we are gonna need 2 tablespoons of olive oil, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, 1 teaspoon of dried mint, 1 teaspoon of oregano. It's dried oregano, guys. Then we are gonna need salt, half teaspoon. For the topping of the pizza, we are gonna need black olives, approximately 50 grams of cheese, and approximately 20 grams of sausage. Also for the topping, we are gonna need fresh basils and cherry tomatoes and peppers, small sweet peppers. All of those we grew in our own balcony. So let's go to the balcony and check it out. So for the tomato toast, what we are gonna do, we are gonna need a pan, white pan. We are gonna need boiling water, and then we are gonna add it into the pan. High heat, we open the fire, and what we do is we take our tomatoes and we cut them on sides. Do not cut like till the end, just half. I will explain you why we are cutting this way a little bit later. Boil it for 3 seconds and then pick them up. It's already 3 seconds, so we pick them up. So I'm gonna start with the tomatoes. Remember the cuts that we made. So what you do is just you make this move, and it peels off very easily, as you see. At this stage, we are going to open the fire. At this point, it's going to be high. And we are going to add our olive oil. This olive oil, virgin olive oil, we got from a local farmer. So it's organic, guys. I'm going to add 2 tablespoons. Again, if you're cooking for more person, you should count accordingly. Now time for our onion and garlic. Please mince the garlic, and for the onion, cut them in very tiny pieces. While we are gonna cut our tomatoes. So here is important part. You see this part? Cut them away because it's gonna be a little bit not comfortable when you are eating. At this stage, I would like to mention that in Italian countryside, people do not go and buy tomato sauce because they love to make from the scratch everything themselves. For that reason, we are showing you the original style how to cook Italian pizza. And for the tomatoes, if you see the water of tomatoes, it's totally fine. That's what we need for our sauce right here. If you would like a little bit flavor in your sauce, I suggest to you to use ketchup, 1 tablespoon. It's time for our most beloved spices. So this is dried oregano. I'm gonna use 1 teaspoon. 1 teaspoon of dried mint. 1 teaspoon of black pepper, ½ teaspoon of salt. Time to mix them. Now on, we cook our tomato paste for 30 minutes and make sure that you have lowered the fire at the lowest heat. Our sauce is ready at this stage. Now we close the fire and we take to the balcony or anywhere cold so it will cool off. Once again, small notice for you guys. So while we are waiting for our tomato sauce to chill, I would like to share with you our small garden here. And here, I'm gonna start with this one, money tree. It's supposed to bring more money into your home. I suggest all of you to grow this. Then we've got love stairs here, and then we've got lemon tree. We grew this lemon tree from the seeds, and it is like this now. Then We've got another flower, beautiful flower. This was a mini pepper that you saw earlier. These are all mandarin trees. This is a plum tree, and this is peach tree. They're small, but they're growing in process. This is tomato tree. This is normal tomatoes. After the flowers are gonna be dry, then we will have here tomatoes. Then these are the cherry tomato tree. As you see, there are mini tomatoes. Here I've got 2 pieces still green. Rest of it I already took for the pizza. This is pepper tree. I have here big tree of basil, and then I've got mini basil in here. This is mini basil. You can put it on the table, and wow, it smells so good. It's so freshening. I suggest all of you to try to grow basil at home. This is mini red rose. This is original clove flower. They smell so good. Aloe vera. And these are grape trees. I've got 2 of them, and by the end of this year we are gonna probably eat our beautiful yellow grapes. This is aloe vera too. You can use for as a face cleaner. It's beautiful. This flower, I really do not know the name, but it is so beautiful. I would like to show you how it looks from the top. And then this is another beautiful cactus. It looks actually like a dragon. Does it look like? Let us know in the comments what do you think about our mini garden. Once our tomato sauce will be cooled off, then we are going to continue cooking our most delicious Italian pizza. At this stage, we are going to take our dough, as you see here. Take a little bit of flour in order to avoid it to be sticky, and then use your hands. You can make round shape as you want. In my situation, I'm cooking for my husband and me, so we need a little bit bigger pizza. Once you are done placing your dough, it's time for the tomato sauce. What you do is, if you want a crusty sides, then you leave a little bit dough. Make sure that your tomato sauce is cooled off at least for 30 minutes. So at this stage, it's time for our cheese. Look at this beauty, guys. I time for the fresh basil. You don't have to do any effort for it. Just try to. This is our mini tomatoes from our garden. Let's place them. These are the peppers from our garden. Just cut them into two, and that's it. This one I'm gonna cut for 3 because it was big. Time to place our pepperonis. You can place however you wish. I don't eat much meat, but my husband is a big eater, and for that we use a lot of pepperoni. Then time for the olives. I use black olives. If you want, it's up to you. You can use green olives as well. For the crunchy sides, just pick up a bit of dough and make sure that you fold them, and it will become crunchy side. Just keep folding. So after finishing the folding of the sides, please preheat your oven 15 minutes ahead. So I basically turned on the heat of the oven for 30 minutes. So 15 minutes is for preheating and 15 minutes is for cooking pizza. Time to cook our most beautiful pizza. Let's go, guys. So preheat for 15 minutes and 15 minutes for cooking, in total 30 minutes. Depending on your oven, the cooking time might change from 15 to 25 minutes. In our case, it took us exactly 25 minutes. Bon appetit! Voila! Thank you for watching us. If you like our video, don't forget to click the like button, and you can also subscribe to our channel. If you are already a subscriber, then give us some love in the comments. Thank you for watching. Wishing you all to have a nice, cozy evening. Goodbye.